Hey guys, I just wanted to come on and do a quick unboxing or unwrapping of a traveler's notebook that I purchased for myself. I only have a few minutes because my daughter is sleeping and she's probably going to wake up in about 10 minutes, so I'm going to just kind of get through this really quick, but I really wanted to get it on video and do an unboxing and wrapping. So anyway, I ordered a traveler's notebook in the wide standard size from Ink Bandits. I heard of Ink Bandits from Johanna and from Aubrey Shannon here on YouTube, and they just have the most beautiful traveler's notebooks, and I just had to get one for myself. I got it for myself for my birthday, and I just fell in love with the way that the leather seemed like it looked and felt. I'm excited to start making my own traveler's notebook inserts and try journaling that way. I've never done that before, but I like the idea of being able to take my traveler's notebook with me in my bag to work or just anywhere out. It seems really easy to cart around and probably fun to travel, to write in on the go. So I already took it out of the packaging, but I have not unwrapped it, so I just wanted to show you the envelope that it comes in. So there's that. It came pretty quickly. I think I ordered it last week sometime, and it's just got here yesterday, so it's really been about a week for it to get here. So look at how cute this little tag is, and this little girl, how cute is that? I don't even know what this is, like a little clip. Just adorable. I just love when people take the time to do little cute things like that in their packaging. So very simple, but just very, very cute. I just want to keep that forever. That's so adorable. So here we go. Let's open it. I'm so excited. I got it in the forest color. I just thought it was so beautiful. I also liked the jade, but the forest was just this really beautiful muted green. And so let's see what it looks like. I cannot wait to start making my inserts and journaling in this. Getting all organized, get a monthly planner kind of a thing going on in there so I can get organized with my daughter's appointments and whatnot. Oh my god. Oh my god, look at this. This color is so beautiful. Wow. Oh. So I asked for 3 little stars, one for me, one for my husband, and one for my daughter Penelope, so that's just what they represent. And I thought that was just so beautiful. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. I can't stop looking at this. The color is just, wow. Let me open this here. I did get one more charm as like a bookmark, and it should be a little key. Yep, there it is. Oh, look at that. So cute. This leather is amazing. And I did get it with a notebook and a folder insert. Oh my goodness. Oh, let me just remove this green mat so we can see the actual green of this traveler's notebook. I don't know if it's showing up on camera. I just got a new iPhone. I got the iPhone X, and so it's a little bit of a better camera, but I'm not sure how the color is coming up. Anyway, wow. It's so soft and so like thick. Oh, I just can't wait to fill this up. So this is just a craft envelope, notebook with some lined paper. That will definitely be useful. There it is on one of the elastics. So I've got, I believe, 4 elastics. So there's 1, 2, 3, and then the one that this folder comes on is 4. This looks like, yeah, this is what the key is on. So the key is right here. This cute little bookmark. Oh, adorable. And then the folder, and there's a little card in here with compliments, Dibs at Ink Bandits. Dibs, thank you. Thank you so much. This is so beautiful and so worth the price. And actually, I don't even think it was that expensive for what you're getting. I think in total it was about $50 something, just under 60, but for the charms, and you get to pick your elastic color, and then you get this just beautiful leather. It's just amazing. And then of course having the inserts too helps. So anyway, that is my new Traveler's Notebook. I am so excited to start using this. It's absolutely beautiful. I will do another update video when I have created my inserts and start using the book, but I just can't wait. So Ink Bandits, awesome purchase. I am going to rush to write you a wonderful review on Etsy for your just super fast shipping and amazing quality product. It's just, I'm so in love with it. So anyway guys, just wanted to share my purchase with you in case you've been looking at Ink Bandits Traveler's Notebooks. I mean, from what I see here, it's absolutely worth it, and they're just amazing. So, and a super easy seller to work with. So yeah, hope you enjoyed this little unboxing, unwrapping video. Talk to you guys soon. Bye.